To the airport! Chocolate World. We are at Hershey's Chocolate World here in Pennsylvania. Woohoo! New state unlocked. Oh yeah. We're gonna try some different types of chocolate today. All right. It was a bit overwhelming when you first come into the store. Anything you can imagine, and plus there was like lots and lots of people. So they have all kind of merch from all the different candies, like Jolly Ranchers, Hershey Kisses. They looked really good flavors too, like salted caramel. That looks very yummy. It was $50 though for like a bag. And but now we're going into the museum, so let's go learn about some chocolate. Yeah, there's the store we just walked through. This whole wall is about the history of Hershey. So as we're standing in line to get in, he was born 1857. This is when he made his first candy. And it just goes on and on. To study chocolate manufacturing. First experiment making chocolate. (1903), first Hershey Chocolate Factory. It rhymes. They were hand wrapped until 1921. First chocolate bar with almonds, 1908. School for orphan boys. Hershey syrup. Wow. Oh, Reese, like Reese cups. Oh, it was started in his basement. Sorry, it is super loud. Dark chocolate. I like dark chocolate. Oh, Chocolate World opened in 1973. Hello, Twizzlers. 1977. Cookies and Cream. Jolly Rancher, 96. Pretty cool.
Chocolate Factory Tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
This is almost as fast as Space Mountain.
Oh, there's a kitty cat.
We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love, everybody. Taste the love. Taste the love.
Hi, my name is Alice. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans to large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of the cow pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
We're being roasted. Oh, breaking apart now.
Hey everyone, Columbia milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shiny tanker trucks pick up milk from all the barns and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk.
Oh yeah, there's a Reese's cup.
Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize
You know, this bread reminds me of
milk
Big
and then
Ben.
grind in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious pieces that we call chocolate club.
Pokemon. What's going on with that?
We dry the chocolate crumb to a coarse powder, then mix in the cocoa butter, pasteurization, and add a dash of vanilla. This honey magic chocolate is rich taste and creamy texture, and it forms that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate in steel bowls that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a funky conveyor belt. Then we send the molds through coolage tanks that solidify the chocolate.
It took me a while, but I figured out. Yum. Is that another Pokemon thing? Is there a game that we didn't know about?
What? Hershey's Chocolate Goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's Milk Chocolate Special Dog Cups.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, my personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey Kisses.
Oh, these aren't moving. The kisses aren't moving. Look at all those kisses. What?
Looks like our packages are ready to go. And I bet they're going too. It's
Heard
a
on there.
privilege meeting your dog today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from it. So be sure to share that witness with the ones who love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Bye-bye. I thought it was over. We had our picture taken. No, we're still going. Jolly Ranchers.
I don't think there's fun.
Oh, Orlando.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into
That whole little tour was free. That was cute. And we got a free little chocolate candy after the ride too. Worth it. We get a taste of chocolate. All right, let's see what else they have here. There's some flavors here that I've never even heard of, like salted caramel. That sounds delicious. Birthday cake, cookies, and mint. Strawberries and cream. Chocolate hazelnut. Might go away with a couple cavities here. Oh, look. Really? Really? Protein bars? Protein. What in the world? 18 grams of protein. Let's see. Let me look at the back. 240 calories. Nah, not a good amount of protein. 18 grams of protein, 240 calories. Nah. But, look at this. Oh, yes. This looks good. I don't like grape jelly. I know, it's weird. I don't like grape jelly. I like blackberry jelly. But these, oh my goodness. The caramel Reese's, that's where it's at. That is where it's at. I just wanted to show they have plant-based ones too. So this is just one of them. And then yeah, they have this one too. That's really neat. Birthday cake, cinnamon toast crunch, rainbow brownie, anything you can imagine. We even saw back there a Hershey flavored cotton candy, like cookies and cream. Oh my goodness. Too much to choose from. All right, so Twizzlers. I know some people hate Twizzlers, but come on now. This orange cream pop, these are the best. This is what I love. This is my favorite. Oh yes, it's good. It's delicious. It's orange. The cream in the middle tastes like an orange cream popsicle. Yes, like that right there. This is deliciousness. Yes. And behind me, this is an actual cocoa tree. Look at that. Cocoa tree. I got another free sample. This is the one I wanted to try. Salted caramel. Yes, please. All right. Is it white chocolate? Salted clover. Oh, toffee pieces. All right. I don't really like toffee.
not what you would think, but it's still pretty good.
Yeah. I was wishing it was like dark chocolate, maybe caramel, not toffee, and salt sprinkles. That would be better. I actually don't really care for this. All
I like it.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Reese's milkshake, yes. Chocolate. Just like a vanilla? Strawberry. Oh. Wowza. Oh, that strawberry one does look good, yes. Oh. I'm afraid like it would be like too sweet. And I wouldn't be able to eat it all. Look at that iced coffee. Hershey, Reese's, s'mores, cookies and cream. Yes. I'm gonna have to come here and get some iced coffee. There's a whole bakery. Twizzlers, Kit Kat, Jolly Ranchers. Those look good. Oh my goodness. Little cakes. So this is where you make your own Hershey chocolate bar, put on a hairnet and everything, pick all your ingredients and make the yummy deliciousness. I have another place over here where you can make it, like build your own cup. So you can like put Reese's or the Oreos, sprinkles, marshmallows, whatever you want in that. Here, let me show you. It looks pretty good. There it is. We had a great first time here in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We are going to Hershey Park tomorrow. So today we only began our chocolatey journey at the theme park. So it was a fun day. Flying here, checked into our hotel, went to the World of Chocolate, bought a couple things, and tomorrow we're going to have a full day in the park. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more upcoming videos.